Hey guys, if you are having a problem with your refrigerator where the freezer is super freezing cold and nothing in the refrigerator is not cold, the problem could be the duct here is frozen. So a simple fix is to put your freezer on defrost back here by putting the heater on it and see if this duct is clogged with solid ice. If it is, pour some boiling water in there. Solid ice. And if it is, pour some boiling water in there. And wait till this thaws out. Make sure that's cleared out and you're set. That's a simple fix for your freezer. If that's the only problem wrong with it, that should fix it. So boil your water and pour it right in there under here. Just catch it in a bowl and then put your stuff back in your freezer and you're all set to go. And it's still ice there. I can actually feel the ice starting to get loose. Oh man, I can pull out a big chunk. Okay, see that big chunk of ice? Okay, so there's no more ice in there. I'm going to put this back on defrost mode by flicking this light switch 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And that should put the heater on back here. If your back is frozen, then it's going to take you longer. But if you only have right here frozen, and I can feel that's already cleared out.